You ever stop to think about how we really understand a word? It seems so basic, right? But even the most common words can hold secrets to communicating clearly. Today, we're going to put one of those words under the microscope, and you'll see what it can teach us about language.
So, what really makes a word simple? Is it just that it's a short word, or that the definition is easy? Well, we're about to find out that the real power isn't just in the word itself, but in how it's explained. And the word we're going to investigate is ticket. Super common, right? We're going to use the Simple English Wiktionary as our guide to just take it apart, piece by piece, and see what makes a great explanation tick.
Okay, first things first. Before we can even get into what a word means, you have to know how to say it. It's kind of the most basic building block of it all. Now, this might look like a bunch of weird symbols, but it's actually incredibly useful. This is the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA for ticket. Think of it as a universal sound key. Each symbol has one specific sound, so anyone, anywhere on the planet, can look at this and know exactly how to pronounce the word. The source we're looking at even has audio clips, which makes it totally foolproof. All right, so we've got the sound down. Let's move on to the fun part, the meaning. We're going to start with how we usually think of a ticket, as a noun. You know, an object, a thing you can actually hold in your hand. And here we go, our first core definition. A ticket is basically a piece of paper that gives you permission. It's your key, your pass, your way in, whether that's for a concert, a plane, or a train. Simple enough. And this example sentence just nails it. It immediately puts that definition into a situation we can all understand. I mean, who hasn't had that mini heart attack, right? That moment of panic when you can't find something important. It makes the idea totally real. But hang on, a ticket can also be something you really don't want to get. This second definition completely flips the script. This isn't about permission at all. It's a penalty. And boom, another example that makes it crystal clear. This isn't a fun ticket to somewhere exciting. Nope, this is a consequence for breaking the rules. The sentence just cuts through any possible confusion. Okay, just look at this side by side. It's the same exact word, ticket, but it can mean both permission and penalty. Complete opposites. And this is so important. Using simple language isn't just about easy words. It's about clearly separating these different meanings so nobody gets confused. This is what makes it work. So we've talked about what a ticket is, but what about what it does? Because this word can also be an action, a verb. And as a verb, to ticket someone is tied directly to that second noun we just saw, the penalty. It's the act of giving that penalty. Notice how it doesn't mean to give someone a movie pass. The verb is super specific to the law-breaking situation. And here's how that verb changes based on how you use it. The Simple English Wiktionary lays it all out, nice and clean, so you can see exactly how to use it. Ticket, tickets, ticketed, ticketing. The pattern is right there for you. And to lock it all in, here's one final example sentence. The officer ticketed the driver. It's active, it's clear, and it perfectly ties together everything we just learned about the verb form. No doubt about what that means. So after taking apart this one little word, let's just zoom out for a second. What did we really learn here? It's all about the power of a simple, clear, and structured explanation. So why is this so effective? What's the secret sauce? Well, it's not really a secret. You give clear, separate definitions. You use real-world examples that people can actually relate to, and you lay it all out in a logical way. Sound, then meaning, then action. The whole point is to get rid of any confusion. That's what makes language powerful and easy for everyone to use. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. What are some words you use every single day without a second thought? Is there one that, just like ticket, has some totally different, maybe even opposite meanings? What common word out there do you think really needs a simple, clear explanation like this one?